Hello everyone, today I want to show you about to design logo in PowerPoint tutorial. Okay, let's start. The first step, you join the home. Yes, home and drawing set. Okay. Each set rectangle. Okay, and then copy rectangle. It merge shape, change color, no fill, no outline, and copy. Yes, and then we start drawing set. Okay. View rotation. Okay, select merge shape. Okay. Change color. Copy. Rotate. Okay, copy. Rotation. Okay. Select all group. There, this is my logo design in PowerPoint for you. Don't forget subscribe if you like my video. So now we start the animation. Also, I show preview for you. Okay, yes, this is a simple logo for you. Can you make by yourself in PowerPoint tutorial? Okay, thank you. Don't forget subscribe if you like my video. Thank you.